Finding the equation of tangent and normal. The first question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal x minus 1 over 8x to the power of 2 at the point 6 and 1.5. To find the answer of this question, we have to know that the equation of a tangent is the same equation of line. Equation of line is y equal mx plus c. To find the equation, we have to find the value of m, which is gradient, and the value of c, which is the intercepted part, y-intercept, and we'll use a point to find the value of c. But how to find the value of m? It's the difference between different questions. Sometimes you will find m using 2 points, using the rule m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In another question, it will be given direct. In this question, we will find the gradient by the first differentiation. We will find the first derivative of this expression and substitute by the point to find the value of the gradient. So the difference between different questions of finding equation of any line is how to find the gradient. Differentiation of x equal 1. Here differentiation of negative 1 over 8x to the power of 2 will multiply by the power, subtract 1 from the power, it will be negative 1 over 4x. We'll substitute at this point at x equals 6, because here we have in the expression only x. It will be 1 minus 1 over 4 multiply 6, which is negative 1 over 2. This is the value of m. Just put the values of x and y and the gradient in their places in this form. Y minus, here it's x1 and y1. It will be 3 over 2. We'll write 1.5 as 3 over 2 equal negative 1 over 2 multiply x minus 6. We'll simplify the expression and write it in any of the two forms of the line. This is the first form, y equal mx plus c, or the second form, ax plus by plus c equal 0. But first we have to simplify. Here it's y minus 3 over 2 equal, expand the bracket, it will be negative 1 over 2x plus 3. We'll let y in one side and move all to the power of part in the other side. It will be negative 1 over 2x plus 9 over 2. Here 3 plus 3 over 2 equal 9 over 2. And this is the equation of the tangent. Here we have an important point. Here he asked to find the equation of tangent. Usually the method of differentiation and substituting by the point to find the gradient gives the gradient of tangent. Usually this value represents gradient of tangent. So if he asks to find the equation of tangent, we'll take this value direct. The second question. Find the equation of normal. Here he asked to find normal to the curve y equal x minus 1 multiply x plus 3 at the point 6 and 1.5. It's the same point but another expression. Here tangent or normal, both are lines, so the equation of any one of them is equation of line, y equal mx plus c. The same, we have to find m and we have to find c. In this case we will use differentiation to find the value of m. We'll find the first derivative and substitute by the point to find the gradient. But we said in the last question this method gives usually the gradient of tangent. What about the gradient of normal? We'll see after solving. But first we have to differentiate this expression. It's in the form of multiplying, but we will not use product rule. We will simplify the expression. Here we don't have to use product rule because we can simplify the expression by expanding brackets. It will be x to the power of 2 plus 2x minus 3. Here we'll use the definition of differentiation, the basic rule, multiply by the power, subtract 1 from the power, to differentiate this expression. Y dash equal 2x plus 2. As we did in the last question, we'll substitute in the first derivative by the point, but here we'll take only the value of x because here we have only one variable, which is x. X equals 6. So it will be 2 multiply 6 plus 2 equal 14. 14 here, gradient of tangent. What if we want to find the gradient of normal? Gradient of normal will be upside down and change sign. 14 over 1, sorry, it's like this. 14 over 1, it will be negative 1 over 14. The gradient of tangent is positive 14. It's 14 over 1. Upside down, it will be 1 over 14, and the change sign, it was positive, it will be negative. And we'll complete as we did in the equation of tangent. So the difference between equation of tangent and the equation of normal is the value of the gradient. This method gives direct the gradient of tangent. To find the gradient of normal, just upside down, change sign, and substitute in this form. Y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Y minus, here it's x1 and y1. It will be 3 over 2 equal negative 1 over 14 x minus x. Simplify. Y minus 3 over 2 equal negative 1 over 14 x plus, using calculator, it will be 3 over 7. Negative, negative, positive, so x multiply 1 over 14, it's 3 over 7. We'll move this part to the other side, so it will be y equal negative 1 over 14 x plus, we'll add 3 over 7 plus 3 over 2 using calculator. It will be here 6 over 14 plus 21 over 14 equal 27 over 14. And this is the final answer. This is the equation of normal. If we want to get the equation of tangent for the same expression, just put m equal 14, not negative 1 over 14.